Hello, this is Judy. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're new here, please subscribe and hit that notification bell so you know when I post new videos. And if you are a subscriber, thank you so much. It really helps build my channel when you give me a like and hit that notification bell. So today I'm using Wander yet again. I wanted to do, what was that? A little piece of silver or something. Triangle page. I've done these before. I don't remember how long ago it was I did a video, even if I did a full video for this. But anyway, it's a really cool technique. You just need one double-sided piece of paper, and it is really a cool look. So I thought I'd just get on quick and video it. So what you do is you take a felt double-sided piece of paper, and you cut it at 6 inches, and again at 6 inches. And then you cut this one at 6 inches. So not rocket science. Then you're going to take 3 of them and cut them in half. And you do want to get kind of precise on your measurements, because they won't line up if you don't get it pretty precise. Okay, so, and then you're going to cut these in half. So you're going to have a bunch of these when you're left over. Okay, so each 6-inch square you're going to cut diagonally, and then you're going to cut each diagonal into 2. So each 6-inch square, words are difficult today, you're going to get 4 triangles. All right. Okay, so that was easy. I do want to mention that if you have something that has direction on it, like stripes or a pattern that goes one way or the other way, or like an icon that could only be one way, like hearts, it could affect how it looks on your page. So pick paper that doesn't have any directional value to it, and it'll make your life easier in the end. So what you're going to do is you're going to lay out all your triangles around your page like this, and we'll glue them down. We only glue along this long edge. All right, so you're going to have it like this. Okay, then you're going to take these and you're going to put them like this. And you can use either side of your paper, but because this has icons on it, I would rather that be the one that's down is going to be the less showing. This is going to be the main shown pattern. So if you want this shown, you can put it like that. And then you could put it on any color of cardstock that you want. But I'm choosing the blue. I love this blue star paper. It is just so nice. Okay, so you have that done. After you have it all glued down, well, these you're going to glue along this long side, okay, when you glue it down. After you have it glued down, you're going to take these and fold them down and score, okay? And then I'll come back and show you after I have it all glued down and show you what it looks like. This piece you can use or not. It's up to you. You can put it in the center for a for more pattern paper, whatever you want to do. You don't have to. You can, you know, use it for something else. And the zip strip, of course, I'll probably put it at the bottom for border because I always like to have something. I don't know, it's just the way I am. I like to have something at the bottom around the border type. So I'll come back once I have all that done, and I will probably ink all the edges of my paper as well. And I'll show you what it looks like. Okay, that was fast work, right? Amazing things you can do on video. So I have all my pieces down. They're all folded. I did not fold these. Some people will fold these and go over like this. I didn't glue them because I wasn't sure if I wanted to or not. I thought I would use this as a mat. And I picked some photos. Oh, and here's another zip strip and an extra one for my border. And this is Sundance paper. And then the photos. And doesn't that match perfect? It has the browns and the yellow and everything. It's so cute. And this is a page for my daughter as a memory when we went to North Carolina. This is for her album. And these pictures fit right in those little corners there. So that's cool. And I could put this one here and then put my title here. I think I'm going to put Fantastic Family because I adore everybody. This is my dad and his girlfriend, Dolly, my brother, his wife, and then me and my daughter when we went to visit. And yes, my brother is a Bills fan. Go Bills. Hopefully they're good this year. And sorry for the dog barking. So that's where I am. I'm going to get some embellishments and then I'll be back. Now this is a camping type icons, but I'm not going to use it as a camping type. I don't mind that they're showing. It's just looks like decoration to me. I'm going to put some flowers and stuff on there and maybe a couple of little animals like that are on here. So I go find those and I'll be back. Okay, I love this page. It came out so fun. It's just so cute. I pulled out a stamp set from a long time ago. This is from 2019, called Bear Hugs. And I didn't really use it much back then, but it fits perfect for this page, right? The little bear with the baby. And there's the bear there. It matches. And I did the Fantastic Family, and I did it with the gray that's in the collection. So it doesn't like boom your face. It's just there. I mean, I don't want it to be like bragging, we're fantastic or anything. It's just, I think they're fantastic people that is in my family, and I appreciate everything that they do. This quilt my sister-in-law made, and it is just gorgeous. And they're all so happy for her. Today is her due date, and she still hasn't had the baby. Well, it'll be yesterday when this video goes up. But anyway, maybe we'll have them by then. So I put the year 21, so she remembers when this is, and just did a little journaling for her. Because I don't know, I've given them pages before, and sometimes they don't write anything on them, and then they don't remember. So I thought I'd do it for her. But I really liked how I did the matting. I was going to turn it and do it as a diamond, but I did it as a square here and left the white border around. And then I flipped these over onto the yellow, and it looks like it's like a folded napkin. It was really cool. I've not done that before. I've done several of these layouts with this triangle page, and I didn't do that before. I like it a lot. I popped these up on foam tape just to give it some dimension, and he's on foam tape. That was from the stamp set too. So yeah, it was a very simple page, but I really like it, and I don't think it needs anything else. Maybe some splattering, that would be good. Maybe not though, because I have all the white here on that paper. So here is what I have left. I'll show you. I went and made extra triangles. I was trying some other pattern paper, and then I had these left over from other things, and I had some a die cut of a fence. And then when I did the bear, I stamped several of them on a piece of white cardstock, and then I cut them out with my brother's Scan and Cut. I actually cut the little baby out because there was no white border here, so it went in and around. And I just taped them. I used that clear Scotch tape and held them together perfect. And you can't really see the cut line. And I did, you know, a whole sheet of them. So if I ever need another bear, they're right there. And then I made a bunch of these, but I didn't end up using them. I do have another layout to do. These were in the bear stamp set too here. I was going to use these because my daughter has a dog that looks like a fox, but I figured I can use them on something else, and then I had extra zip strips, so I'm all ready to do another page. I hope you enjoyed this. Thank you very much for watching. Take care. Have a wonderful day. And I just want to mention, if you have any questions about anything, please let me know. I'd be happy to help you.